In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sending country in Remitly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to confidently move forward without second-guessing your choices. First, open Remitly in your web browser or launch the mobile app if that's what you prefer. Starting on the home page keeps things simple and ensures you see the latest exchange rates and options for your region. If you already have an account, being signed in can help Remitly tailor limits and payment options to you, but you can also review countries and amounts before you finalize anything. Next, select Send Money. This takes you into the flow where you choose your destination and set up the basics of your transfer. Think of this as your control panel. Everything you choose here affects the rate, fees, and delivery methods you'll see next. Look for the prompt that says, "Where are you sending?" This is where you change the country. Click into the country selector to open the full list. You can scroll or use the search bar to find the destination quickly. Selecting the correct country is important because local regulations, payout options, and exchange rates are country specific. Once you find the country you want, click it to confirm your choice. You'll see the page update so you know the selection has been applied. Now set your amounts. In the Use Send field, type the amount you plan to transfer in your currency. The They Receive field will automatically calculate how much your recipient will get based on the current exchange rate and any fees tied to your chosen delivery speed. Take a moment to review these numbers. If you change the amount, both the fees and the receive amount may update. If you see limits or rate details, that's normal. Remitly shows these up front so there are no surprises later. Choose your payment method next. Depending on your location, you might see options like bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Cards typically deliver faster but can carry higher fees, while bank transfers may be more economical and can have different processing times. Pick the option that best matches your priorities for speed and cost. When everything looks right, click Continue. This saves your country selection and amount and moves you forward to the next steps of the transfer. If you realize you chose the wrong country, you can go back and update it before you proceed. That's it. Changing the sending country in Remitly is quick, clear, and fully under your control.